How to fix rotate problem on the video call on WhatsApp app. Hello guys, so to fix the problem it's actually so easy. All what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps on your phone, go to the apps, and then here you will find all the apps as you can see that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp like this, click on it, and then click on this option, it's called force stop. After that, all what you have to do now is go down to the storage. After here, this is an optional step, you need to click on this clear cache option. After you click on clear cache, go back to the settings, and then go to the display option, and go down here to more display settings. Now here make sure that the auto rotate screen is off like this. After that, all what you have to do now is reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.